ولا إله إلا الله الله أكبر
of our Father, rest in peace. May the blessing of Allah be on all of you. Today marks a very great day in the history of our nation, and particularly the history of our race, the Yoruba race. You can't find any further definition, further away of our culture. If you go further from AWUJALE, you will learn a lot. To me, standing before you today, I thank God Almighty that I stand before you as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Our history would not have been completed carefully and richly if I had failed the last election. I was successful because of your support and the blessing of late AWUJALE. I came to him, he blessed me. And he said, you will win that election. Otunwole Ekansi. Go ahead. Today is no more. It's gone. God has blessed us. If listening to the richness of his wisdom expounded by Governor, His Excellency Dakpo, Governor of Ogun State, Oyinbo pọ̀. Well, I won't bring out his other title. Ọ̀kan lọmọ eléyìí of Ogun State. Well, at this stage, I must mention clearly how much I thank you for taking care of our father. He is our leader of conscience, tradition, and a great value. He brought pride, dignity, and honor to the Yoruba race. I'm extremely proud of him. He was always there at that time of need for all of us. I could recount the June 12th episode, our protest then, our episode in his palace, a foray, our resistance our determination to reverse the annulment of June 12th. Papa was steadfast, was resolute, was very encouraging. That he lived to see the calendar as a 91-year-old person. To be honored at his 90th birthday with the Grand Commander of Niger. I am very honored. I'm proud to even go through that motion and the emotional attachment that I have with him. Very honest, very bold, very courageous, very truthful. He will not deceive you. He's gone. I've listened to the governor. He has admonished us for our unity, consistency, and respect for the history of this man, a great man. We have to be more united, bonded, and the spirit that he left behind. Cherish his legacy and appreciate him in death. We've named institutions after him. His legacy we endure. It's left for you and I to reflect the culture, the value that he represented. God Almighty will grant him a legion of angels. God bless all of you. God bless Nigeria.